Hey everybody, welcome back to Boggs Projects, and today we're working on this 1981 Suzuki DS100, and we are going to be replacing the front tube because the valve stem is messed up. Won't take air, can't release air out of it, so we need a new tube and a new valve stem with it. So we're going to take this tire off, and so we have it propped up on two plates here and a thing of ramps. So we don't have any like special kind of bicycle stand or anything, so we just have this contraption that we've made out of stuff we have flying around. So, but we're gonna have to take off this front brake here because that's the wheel. So take off this front brake so we can take off this tire so we can replace the tube. All right, here we go. We have the tire off because kind of forgot to record stuff, so and my phone overheated, so and was dead. So we got the tire off now, and so we have it all out of air, and we had to do quite a bit of things to get this stupid tube to deflate. So we have this drill, and we had to drill into the tube. But first we had to cut this stupid valve stem thing off, and so I had to rip it off. And then
took this out.
Yeah, I took that out with the 4-way tool, right here, and then we had to puncture the tube because it wouldn't come out air. No air would come out at all. So we took the drill and we drilled into it. So anyway, it's got air out now, and so now we just need to use these tire spoons, and gotta take the tire off and the tube out, install a new one.
Grab that tube out.
Tube out. Okay.
So boom. There she is. So with all that dirt and whatnot, we need to take the whole thing off, clean it out.
Yeah.
So let's get the
Tire off?
Yeah, let's get the whole tire off. I'd leave it right where it's at.
Oh. How do I get it off then?
Yeah, you just got to reach down in there with your little tools and take it off the same way. I think.
Okay. Oh, so like that.
Yeah.
Oh, grabbing that too. Grab that.
So just pull it off.
What?
Should just pull it off, right?
I don't think so.
Are no sides out?
Like this side is.
Okay. Hold that down and then just work it around.
But I want to get this thing off.
Hold on. Alright, so we ran our electrical tape all through it. So all the way around, cover up all that rust, and we got the tire all cleaned up. So we're about ready to put it back together. Okay, well there she is. It's all set up and put back on. Like I say, this was the problem with the last one. they installed this in properly, and like I said, it took 2 hands to get it all put together. That's why I have no video, so I'm just gonna set up a tripod. But anyway. Alright, motor air compressor, there we are.
Okay, here it is. It's all done. We got this front tire back on here. It's just the same front tire that was on there before. The new valve in there, which was our problem before. It's just all on there. It's got air in it. It's good. So there's our finished product, fully done.